Kia ora. So this video is to show you what's in a phonics stage 5 to 7 kit. You can see it's bigger than the stage 1 to 4 kit. So I'm going to open it up. Now we do send them in boxes like this and they're not put together. We can't put them together because they would just be damaged as they travelled. So we put them in boxes, we wrap them up as tight as we can, as you can see, in recycled bubble wrap. So I'll just open that up and come back to you and show you. Okay, so I've got the box out and you can see the beautiful handmade box made here in Christchurch. I love this magnetic clip as well, so it's a very nice box. Pull out the padding and you've got 3 sections. You can see you've got a section of stage 5 cards. You've got a section here with your stage 6 cards. And then finally you've got your stage 7 cards. Oh, they're quite heavy. And then at the very back, you've got your tab cards as well. So I'm going to put them together and come back to you once I've done that. Okay, so I've opened up section 5 and I've assembled it. So you'll start with a separation card that tells you this is this is stage 5, and then you have your instruction card. So that's for people who may not have been on a phonics course and they get the cards, they don't know what to do. It's not the full phonics lesson. It's just telling you what to do with the cards for that part of the lesson. And then you have a separation card for a tab card for each of the graphemes that you're going to teach at stage 5. So the first one is SH, and you will have an SH grapheme card like that, and then you have all the other words that go with the SH grapheme. Moving on to the next tab card, you've got the grapheme LL for the phoneme L. It tells you which word cards will be there. And again, you've got your grapheme cards and all the word cards that are going to go with that. And just like at stages 1 to 4, at the bottom it has its own little unique symbol, and all of them are going to be black though in terms of colour, but every stage is a different symbol. So if you accidentally drop your kit, your children can help you assemble the cards just by looking at the shape at the bottom. Okay, so now stage 6, so just like before, you start with the separation card. To separate stage 5 from stage 6, you've got an instruction card that tells you how to use the cards at stage 6. And then you have your first set of cards. You've got the cards for the grapheme EE, making the phoneme E. You've got a lot of word cards here. Lots of words have that particular grapheme. So you've got your grapheme card, and then, oops, these are upside down. You've got all the word cards that you're going to, that was not upside down after all the word cards that you're going to need to teach stage 6E with the EE grapheme. Then you move on to the next grapheme for E, which is EA. It tells you all the word cards here that match the ones in your manual. You have your grapheme card like that, and then you have all the word cards that you're going to need to teach the EA grapheme for the phoneme E. And then of course the next one is just going to be this really little one, E, and so on. So those are all the word cards you'll need for stage 6. And finally, section 7. So again, you've got your stage 7 separation or title card. Take that away. You have your instructions for stage 7. They're really the same as stage 6 because it's basically the same stage. You have your first tab card, which is for, what's that? And it's the grapheme OO, and then you have your grapheme card, and then all the word cards that are listed, and then you get behind that, you get to your next tab card, which is also O, but it's spelt with a single letter U, the grapheme U, and all the word cards there. So that's the same for stage 7, all your tabs, all your word cards that you're going to need to teach the stage. So now you know what the stage 5 to 7 phonics kit looks like. I've just put it together in this box. You've got your stage 5, stage 6, stage 7, and then you close the lid, ready for your lesson. So happy phonics teaching, everyone. I hope you find these phonics kits as useful as I have found them.